We all use some kind of resistance in our workouts, whether that may be free weights such as dumbbells or barbells, maybe even machines such as Smith machines, preacher curls, cable machines, pec decks. Honestly, I could go on and on about machines because it feels like they bring out a new one every single month. Some people select free weights because of their great results. On the other hand, using machines can help a person concentrate more on hitting their desired muscle. So with each of these lists of benefits I just explained to you guys, that may just be leaving you questioning, which one is better? Which one should I mainly use? Free weights or machines? Well, you come to the right place, because in this video, I'm gonna explain to you guys a full list of benefits and also which types should you be using going forward. Now, I know as soon as you guys started working out, you guys realized there are two different ways to work out. You got the whole musty and crusty dumbbells and barbells that are in like the corner of the room, you know what I mean? And then on the other side of the room, you got the new kids on the block, you know, the new machines and all that stuff. Now, yes, I know that machines were used in the time when Arnold Schwarzenegger was working out and all of that stuff, but what I'm saying is that machines are still much more newer than barbells and dumbbells. So you guys are now probably with that question of which one should I use? I know you guys need to know which one should you guys be using in order to be making the best progress in your journey. And that's why I'm here. You want to know which is the best for making progress. And don't worry, I've come prepared. I've done some research and I'm going to explain a little bit of that research for you guys today. And also, I'm going to explain my personal experience. I believe that the specificity in free weights versus machines is what's important. Now, I know I sound like Mario Rios when I said that, but it's actually pretty true. So this is the first study I want to mention. This study measured the vertical leap of individuals over the short span of 8 weeks, with one group performing squats while the other was performing machines. When it came to the end, guess which group performed well? It was actually the group that were doing squats, while the other group that used machines did not get good results. So, Amarian, why does this matter? Well, that's to show that if your goal is to improve your performance in terms of sports, then free weights is 100% the way to go. Like, end of debate. You can click off this video. I'd rather you stay and watch, but that's my point, is that sports specificity, free weights are the way to go. So why would you use machines when there are free weights that can give you guys better results? First, you have to understand the differences between strength and power, since a lot of people mix one with the other. Strength means how much force you can generate. Power has a speed component to it, which is how much force can you generate in the quickest amount of time. This means that strength is low speed strength, while power is high speed strength. When it comes to building strength and muscle, you're always going to be aiming for low speed strength. Machines can allow you to target specific muscle groups much more easily, and you can even take them to failure much more easily with a slightly less risk of injury. Like, for example, if I were to do a Smith machine squat and a regular squat using a barbell, I'll be able to take the Smith machine squat to failure much more easily and have a slightly less risk of injury because I could easily just lock the Smith machine back into place. Meanwhile, with a barbell, well, if I fail, I guess I fail.
Yeah, boy.
While this is definitely a good benefit, there is one big con that people aren't talking about. And that is the fact that if you were to make a whole gym routine with machine-based movements, then you're missing out on a ton of performance gains outside of the gym, as you aren't mimicking as many movements that you can use outside of the gym. In general, the last and most important piece of advice that I can give you guys is your equipment availability. So depending on the place you guys go and where you train, you may need to choose alternatives to different movements. So for example, let's say in the place that you go to, a Planet Fitness or something like that, you only have Smith machines, then you'll just have to make do with that. And maybe you can use the dumbbells instead of a barbell for, you know, some different things, but you gotta make do with what you got. Most gyms, besides Planet Fitness, includes free weights and even allow you to try different bodyweight exercises. Some less equipped resources, like hotel gyms for example, may only have equipment to work out with and may have a limited free weight possibilities. For example, they may not even have a bench press, which is saddening but true.
You serious?
A home gym setup may include a multi-rack system, a barbell, a Smith machine, may have all the goobs and goobers. So there isn't really a clear recommendation I can give you guys, but make do with what you got. After reviewing all the information here, I can give you guys a good recommendation. Now, I believe that variety is key here. So I'm not gonna be like Mario Rios and just tell you guys to just focus on free weight based movements. While I do believe that they are superior, I do believe machines do have a place in your routine. So what I generally aim for is about 80% of your workout has to be free weight based movements. And then the other 20%, that can be about, you know, your machine based movements. So for example, if you guys really like preacher curls, then you can do that. One thing I will say is that try to aim for free weight based compound exercises over machine based exercises, because free weights in that case can help you also target your core a lot better. So there you guys have it. You all have all the resources you need to choose between either free weights or machines. If you guys would like, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you guys need more help with your fitness journey, you guys can click on the link in my description to book a free one-to-one consultation call with me, Amorian Gittins. This is Amorian Gittins here, signing out. Peace.